Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thank you all for watching this video. My name is Noviani Dewi. I'm from Department of Informatic Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, Universitas Sangga Bandung, West Java, Indonesia. At this opportunity, I want to present my research, the title with Employee Performance Assessment System Design based on 360 degrees feedback and simple multi-attribute rating technique method integration, which is submitted to the 14th International Conference on Telecommunication System, Service, and Application, or TSSA 2020. That is organized by School of Electrical Engineering and Informatics Institute Teknologi Bandung and Faculty of Engineering Universitas Sangga as the co-host. My presentation is divided into 5 main sections. Firstly, the introduction. Secondly, the literature review. Thirdly, the method. Fourthly, analysis and result. And finally, the conclusion. I begin with introduction. Human resource, or in this case, more specifically called employees, is a central factor in an agency or organization. One of the successes of an agency in achieving its goals is driven by the performance of its employee. The higher of the employee performance, the better impact for the agency. Employee performance will reach its best if the agency conduct an assessment. However, not all assessment processes have had the expected impact. Only the good assessment process that can give the impact for the employee performance. The good assessment process must be transparent, systematic, and objective. The employee performance assessment process in Universitas Sangga Buana doesn't have these all criteria. This is the background why the study was conducted. In today's modern era, with the rapid development of technology, employee performance appraisal should be done using a computerized system that can help superiors make decisions in the assessment process. The system is called DSS, or Decision Support System, which is a part of a computer-based information system that is used to assist in the decision-making process in an agency or organization. One of the DSS methods commonly used is the simple multi-attribute rating technique, or SMART method. There are several studies regarding the application of the SMART method in the decision support system employee performance appraisal that have been carried out previously, such as in Civiking Photo Studio Palembang, PT Trans Engineering Sentosa Medan, and the Metro Plaza Swalayan Pekanbaru. The result of these studies indicate that the DSS for employee performance appraisal using the SMART method can make the employee performance appraisal process easier, faster, and more efficient because the completion steps are quite simple. However, in some of the cases above, the assessment process is still vulnerable to the subjectivity of superiors in assessing their employee because the assessment is only carried out by one party, namely the supervisor himself. To overcome this, the assessment process should use the 360-degree feedback method. This method is a method of appraising employee performance using various sorts of assessors consisting of superiors, co-workers, subordinate or supporting team, and the assessment by themselves. In this study, we want to design a decision support system for employee performance appraisal based on 360-degree feedback at Universitas Sangga Buana using the SMART method. And then the next is literature review. The literature review that we use in this study, there are first, one of the most important human resource parts of an agency or organization is employee, because employee have the potential to be driving force in the agency or organization. This stems from Abdullah's statement in 2014. Then, employee performance appraisal can encourage employees to carry out their duties and responsibilities as well as possible. And then, decision support systems are part of an information system that help decision makers using computer media as a decision-making tool. This stems from Laluma's statement in 2018. Next, one of the methods in the decision support system, or DSS, is the simple multi-attribute ranking technique or SMART method. SMART method emphasizes simplicity and ranking rather than the elicitation method that is more complicated. This stems from Edwards' statement in 1977. Next, finally, the last, the 360-degree method is considered more objective and can reduce the subjectivity because the assessment is not only carried out by one party. This stems is from Kota Barat in the 2016. Next is the method. There are two kinds of methods that we use in this study. The method are web engineering for software development methods and decision support system SMART method for system development method. Web engineering Web engineering is a method that offers an agile framework but still emphasizes discipline and its development to build an industrial quality system. There are 5 processes in this method, start from communication, then planning, modeling, construction, and deployment. The 5 processes are carried out repeatedly or incremental, according to the result of the evaluation that has been carried out. Each repetition or incremental process starts from the communication stage and ends at the deployment stage. In this study, we will only discuss it until the modeling stage. Next, for system development method, we use decision support system SMART method. SMART is a multi-criteria decision-making technique based on the theory that each alternative consists of a number of criteria that have values, and each criterion has a weight that describes how important it is compared to its other criteria. The step for SMART there are that first, determine the criteria and the weight of each criterion. Second, calculating normalization of each criterion, and then assign criteria score for each alternative, and then calculating the value of utility for each criterion, and the last is calculating the final score of each criterion. Next is the analysis and result. I begin with ongoing system analysis. The employee performance appraisal system that has been in USB PKP or Universitas Sangga Buana has not been carried out in a structured and systematic manner. The assessment methods and system used are not clear and standardized. The assessment process has not been fully implemented, and there is no system that specifically regulates this assessment process. Next, the employee performance appraisal system that has been implemented has not been transparent. Employees do not know and are not given information about what criteria are part of the assessment and also the result of the performance appraisal that have been carried out on him. And then in the reward system, it felt not so fair to all employees. Like the giving of pre-umroh, so far most of it has only been given to employees who are about to enter retirement. Meaning, it means that rewards are only based on the length of service, not depending on the weight of the performance that has been done. So, the system that we propose is a web-based system that integrates the SMART method and of decision support system and the 360-degree feedback method. And then this is a use case diagram of the employee performance assessment decision support system. There are 5 actors and 9 main use cases. The actors in use case diagram consist of admin, employee, direct leader or supervisor, human resource director, and supporting team. In this case is cleaning service and security. Meanwhile, the use case consists of login, manage user access right, manage depletion, employee assessment, clear assessment, input daily activity report order, see the recap of the assessment result, manage employee performance appraisal, and the last is view employee assessment report. Each user has access right and their respective roles. Admin is a user whose task is to manage core data on the system. The human resource director is the user who determines the assessment criteria and manage decisions. Leader and supporting teams are users who assess employee. Meanwhile, employees are the central user of this system. In this system, employee assess their fellow employees and also assess themselves. Employee can also view reports on the result of their assessment of themselves. And then in addition, the system can also assist the human resource director in making decisions in giving reward and punishment to employee. Find out in more detail about the process, the process flow of the employee performance assessment decision support system. It can be seen in this flow chart. So the conclusion of this research has resulted in addition for developing an employee performance assessment system by using 360-degree feedback method and the simple multi-attribute rating technique method from DSS, so that the employee performance appraisal process at Universitas Sangga Buana becomes more credible, because with system, the assessment process becomes more systematic, structured, and transparent. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.